bidding us a farewell with. It's crazy. It has dropped the tip a bit, so I'm grateful for that. What do you think, girl? Yahoo! Georgia. I waited and waited for the entering Georgia sign, and I couldn't have. Like, we passed it without me seeing it somehow. But we are in Georgia. The weather is a little nicer. It's been off and on rain the whole way. We're pulling in this rest stop. I think we might spend the night here.
Georgia? Go around and park by that picnic table.
Yeah, that might be a good spot.
Georgia? Georgia.
Yeah, I'm hungry, so...
I'm tired.
Yeah, it's been a kind of a long day of driving, I know.
Freeway and downpours. Crazy.
Yeah, that can be exhausting, right?
It can be.
I'm gonna get some salads going. We do eat salads, so...
Ooh, we'll do a whole salad video.
Okay, well, I'll just show you what my plate looks like when I'm done. How about that? We have, look at this. Does that look so good? We have boiled eggs, we have bacon, there's red pepper, celery, cucumber, spinach, feta, carrot, all kinds of good stuff. I'm gonna do avocado oil and balsamic vinegar. Now the trick is to get the really aged balsamic, and it's pretty thick. It's almost like a syrup. It's so good on salads. It's really good on everything. Now we're not leaving Pistol out of this salad equation. She loves cucumber peels. Almost as much as green beans.
One more.
Good girl. Morning, baby.
Morning.
He's still asleep. I have not had a drink of coffee yet. I actually slept really well in the guest spot, in the rest stop.
Coffee, baby?
Yeah, it felt like a guest stop. Anyway, Dave looked last night and found a campground up ahead. We are just trying to make tracks out of this heat. Last night Dave found a campground up ahead. Do you remember the name of it?
Tallulah Gorge.
Tallulah Gorge. It looks really cool.
I booked 2 nights.
Yeah.
On a weekend.
That's their minimum.
Saturday and Sunday.
Yeah, weird.
Yeah.
Okay. So we're headed there tonight. I'm really excited. We'll be able to plug in, and might have some rains coming. They let up this morning, but it's just going to be an off and on thing. I guess summer in the south is just like that. We got to get out of the south. So the gorge looks like it has a lot of fun stuff to do, hikes and different things. So we're going to have to check it out when we get there. And we're in Tallulah Falls, Georgia.
There's a rim hikes around the gorge that we're going to do. You can take the dogs on those, but the gorge, there's a way to get down and hike in the gorge, but you have to get a permit, and they give them first come first serve, 100 a day. But when it's been raining like this, they don't let anyone go in the gorge.
Yeah.
And no dogs allowed either. So we're not going to be able to do that. It's pretty wet, so there's probably going to be any biking or anything, but
yeah,
we're going to check out the rim, check out the gorge.
See if we can find the waterfalls.
Suspension bridge.
Ooh, yeah.
Love suspension bridges.
And we actually found the suspension bridge from above. It's kind of a cool view. What is this?
Oh, Garyalynn.
Tightrope walker. Use this tower to walk across the gorge. He walked from this overlook to the tower on the south rim. During his walk, he did 2 headstands. Are you kidding me?
Isn't it like was it the Walenda brothers? They were the...
When
I was a kid,
Really?
yeah, the Walenda.
Well, it was 1970, so...
What are you saying?
It was a little bit before my time is all.
He walked across that.
Wow, okay. This is 1,000 feet up. This is the highest elevation along this gorge.
This shows the whole gorge pretty good down there. That's...
Wow-wee.
Wow-wee.
Really? She's not arguing with that.
She's an old girl.
Yeah. Almost back to camp, just in the nick of time. We got sprinkles starting to come down.
Pistol's pooped.
She is.
It's about it. We've been hour and 20 minutes, almost back to camp.
Yeah.
A lot of stairs, a lot of hills.
Yeah. It's good for all of us. Pistol, what do you think? Oh!
I'll show you.
She's showing off for the camera now. She's got to show you a little run there. It's a pistol trot.
Liquid air conditioning.
Oh boy, yeah. Perfect timing though. We are almost back. So we dropped Pistol Girl off. We got some lunch. I took a nap. We're refreshed. Dave and I decided we're heading out to the South Rim Trail and see what we can find down that trail. Okay, so we're still on the South Rim Trail. We have overlooks 8, 9, and 10 this way, and then I guess this way is the suspension bridge. So maybe we'll do the overlooks and then we'll come back to the bridge. I got a 2 thumbs up from him. Now we're headed down towards the bridge. Strenuous trail. You think we got this? There's a lot of warning signs. 680 steps. Ay, ay, ay. I think we're almost there. It's crazy. What goes down must go up. That is a cool bridge though.
See how long it takes us to climb, what, 680?
Yeah.
It is 256.
Okay. We made it. We made it. What time you got?
2:59.
3 minutes. 3 minutes. Now I need to go lay down. Almost back to camp. Whew.
I told Irina, sorry I talked into this tonight. She said, It's okay. I can find it in my heart to forgive you since I talked you into riding our bikes across Missouri.
Yeah, I think there's room in my heart for forgiveness for this. That was beautiful.
Oh, what?
Yeah, me too. Tomorrow, we're going to be headed to our friend's place in Tennessee to visit them. So we will see you on the other side of that. Carry on.
Carry on.
For behind the scenes footage, extra content, and all our videos early release and ad free, check out our Patreon page.
And check out our blog on our website, carryonvagabond.com.
Thanks again, and
Carry on.
on.